Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super happy because this week I found out that Sony released a new camcorder which is reasonably priced, has that 1-inch CMOS sensor, great optics, you can shoot in 24p full HD, right? So when I saw that, I immediately went and bought one. I normally buy my gear used because you always save a lot of money, but in this case $1,300 for almost perfect camcorder. I had to go and do that. It arrived yesterday, last night, but I knew you want to see unboxing, and as of today, September 2019, there's no one video on unboxing of this new camcorder, so I waited until morning and let's do together this unboxing. And my work is creating automotive videos for YouTube, so I need small camcorder like this. 99% of my time I'm working in full auto, so I need that perfect autofocus, right, which is improved on this camera apparently. Most importantly, I don't want to pay for the 4K, right, which I own on this Sony HXR-MC88. I own it, but I have no use, and I don't want to pay for that feature on my camcorder. But enough talking about myself, let's start with this unboxing. So here you can see the box, how it comes, right? I don't know why there are some staples here. There's a hole and there is a steel staple, but this is how it came. It's relatively small, and let's open that baby and see what is inside. Hopefully this setup will give us the perfect view. So let's go for it. I'm almost shaking how I'm excited about this, right? As I said, I normally buy my stuff used to save money. I'm always on the budget, right? So the price, it's big deal here for me, that instead of 1900 and 2700 and so on, this camcorder brand new, it's only 1300. So far this all looks brand new, right? I have no doubt about that. So that was a CD or DVD, right? A limited warranty. You can see it here. Catalyst browse brochure. I will go in detail, right? So you see definitely before using this unit. So this will be like that map style brochure. And here is nice in, what is it, only one language? It's an operating guide. Let me check that for you really quick. Yes, we got a paperwork out of the way. Let's see how it will continue. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. Everything seems to be brand new. Here comes the handle, right? That's a big deal, obviously. It's one of the reasons I love this unit. I worked in the past with the Canon X810 and I loved that small little camcorder also having this handle. This is absolutely wonderful. Now I can see this is definitely brand new, spanking brand new. I have no doubt about that. Here is still that plastic, right? So we can peel that off. Here is that door, opening door, the cover, right? So now you can see it. These details, right, you couldn't see anywhere. I tried to see it from Sony, but I couldn't find any info what is on the top handle, right? There is nothing available so far. So I'm pretty confident this video will help a lot of people make their own decision, and that's why I will do it very in detail. So I think I got the handle completely for you, right? You can see how it's all done, how it came, and let's move on. Of course, from checking out and reading all the stuff on different pages, I knew what it should come with, I just didn't know how it looks exactly. So here it is, the lens hood, right? You see the red mark here. This will be a battery, and I'm surprised that Sony will give us, or supposed to be this, the smallest one, the V58, and it's true. Unfortunately, there's saving here, or they want us immediately go and buy battery. This is NP-FV50A, right? I will expect they will put at least 70A on it. Even that Sony camcorder, which is filming it, which is way cheaper, came with 70A, but it is what it is. I also know that they don't supply this camcorder with the charger, right? So you will have these two cables, that's one of them, and this is the other part, and you have to charge direct the battery direct in the camcorder, or again go and immediately purchase the charger. And I'm very sure that I will keep this camcorder for a long time, so I will of course do that very soon. And tram-ta-da-da, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we are all waiting for, right? The camcorder, nice and heavy, definitely nice and heavy. Really good feel already by the weight. Wow! Look at this. Wow, that's a beauty. So immediately, as you heard me, very, very solid feel to it. Nice and heavy. It is made of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. Look at this beautiful, beautiful camcorder. I love it. We'll do that. That's all what it was in the box. I don't see any other parts or anything like that. I will try my best to somehow rotate it around and show you the detail of all the buttons, right? So you still didn't see the lens, so let's show that with removing that cap. That's that beautiful size, right? Incredible. If I put it back, right there, I can show you those stereo microphones here, right? This is just the cap. Let's open that 3.5 LCD. Obviously that will rotate to 70, right? But it's unboxing, so we are showing all the details. Here is the speaker, right, which plays you and you are replaying the footage. This goes all the way this way, which is also very good, right? Now, do you see the detail of all these buttons? I hope you do. Slot select, that means you have two SD cards, right? Really important. Great, great feature. Here is the headphone jack. And let's move on that back side. So auto and manual ND filters, space for the battery. Now this will be that power for charging the battery where it's inside, right? Here is the HDMI. So that's a big HDMI, not a small one, but the full size. Nice, and back. Recording. Here is that joystick, right? This is that mini jack for the remote control. Focus magnifier on the top, really great. And a number 4 assignable button. Iris push auto, or number 5 assignable button. Here number 6 assignable button. And here is the mic. Let's open it. Right, so microphone. That will be a 3.5, I believe. And another, what is it? Mini USB? Let me read it. It's a multi, it says multi. So that will need to be researched. Here is that infra, right? And here is that, let me close that. Here is that rolling, oh nice, nice. That's not easy to rotate, that's nice. Menu button again, focus, and so on. So you saw it around, nice, nice. This has a nice action, I like that. This will be need to also switched, but let me see how I will install that top handle. So I believe this plastic is just cover, so it will be done by sliding this out. Yes, so that multi-shoe is open, and I think I will have to do the same here on that handle. I think this is also cover. Yep, and you can see these contacts, right? These will be communicating between the handle and the camera. So let's see if I will just slide it on top of it. It looks like that. Yep, and now I will put down these screws. So yep, you can see it all live and how it's done. Wonderful. Now look at that. This is completely different beast. Wow, fantastic. I'm not sure if I have to remove that landscape or not, probably not. So there are 2 red dots and I'm turning it this way. Did you hear that click? Yep. And the lens hood is installed. It's still easy to grab the cap. And now you see the entire camcorder. One more thing is missing, and that's the battery. So I guess we will find out immediately if it comes fully charged or not. So the contact's going up, right? And that's very easy always to put it there. You just go from underneath up. You heard a click. And let's see if we open the display, if it goes on. It didn't, and the power it's also not going on. So I'm assuming the battery is completely dead. And I forgot, I didn't show you bottom of the unit yet. So this is the mount for the tripod, right? And this is the release for the battery. So you push it forward and then the battery goes out like that. But nothing can stop us, right? So I put that new battery in the camcorder which is filming for us, and I borrowed that 70 which is charged, right? And PFV70, and that will actually give you a chance to see how it looks with the bigger battery. Boom, so it's there. Let's see if something will happen this time. the light went on and the camcorder powered and is ready for that basic setup. So look at that. Isn't this absolutely incredible little machine? And the last thing I forgot to show you is that viewfinder. So it's a OLED viewfinder and this is LCD screen, right? They will not work in the same time, so you will, to start using the viewfinder, you will pull it out, but the screen is still on. You will say, oh no, they will work together. No, when I will put my eye towards to it, right, you see it? It will sense, there is a sensor, and I will be able to read it in the viewfinder and the screen goes off. So that was last detail, right, for you before I will be done with this unboxing. And what I will do immediately, I will go and sit at computer, edit this footage and send it on YouTube for you, so you can immediately enjoy this video. And of course I will keep filming important stuff about this camcorder as I will learn to operate it correctly. So sorry that the video was so long, but I wanted to make it in the detail and I didn't want to forget anything. So thank you for watching and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.